My name's Phil Smith, and I got a fully restored 1988 Grady White Gulf stream. When I bring my boat in to these guys, whether it be an oil change or if I've got something that, coming in hot to the dock or whatever it is, and you need a little touch up, these are your guys. So Brant Marine is a one-stop shop. They've got a guy for everything. Upholstery, canvas, electronics, they get a guy here who's a whiz, and I don't know how they got him. They've got a full fiberglass shop, so it can all be fixed here. You can have new stuff, alterations made, they do it all. The guy comes right here and does it on your boat. Repowering with Suzuki. Suzuki's sort of taken the outboard motor industry by storm. They make a real nice kicker as well, so you get matchy main motor kicker. They do it all. All their lower horsepower engines are just as great, and they make real powerful, economical engines, all the way to big 350 horse single outboards, which is what we put on this one. And I got to tell you, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. It's out of the hole quick, and she's fast. Super happy with the 350 that they put on my boat. They've got all kinds of great new technology. I've got a dual prop setup, which is incredible for fuel efficiency and just get up and go. So you're having a lot of fun with that. Reliability is huge.
My name is Ian Maxwell, marine mechanic, and I have been for 47 years, and I work for Brant Marine. Oh, I love everything about Suzuki engines. They're just so much easier to work on. Like I said, I've been in the industry a long time. Quite a bit quieter than a lot of the other product that's out there. For Suzuki engines, the differences in all their engines from approximately 40 horse and up, they don't use timing belts like a lot of the other product. They use a timing chain, which is a lot quieter than a timing belt because they're running oil. You never hear them. They make no noise at all, whereas a lot of other product running a timing belt, you're a high-pitched whistle. For Suzuki engines, a lot of their models are smaller, lighter, bigger propeller diameters because of their two-stage gear duction. Gives them a little more oomph, fuel economy. Overall, they build a fantastic product, yeah. The ultimate outboard.
My name is Tomasz Zamojtel, and I'm a marine electrician. Before I came here, I was working on bigger yachts for bigger yacht manufacturers, bigger companies, doing luxury boats, yachts, anything from 58 feet to 120 feet. Big guys. I like to work on smaller boats, to be honest, because I am responsible for everything, which is very important to me, especially when the customer comes here. Safety is my number one priority.
My name is Dave Lockwood, and I'm the general manager of Brant Marine. So what we do here is your one-stop shop for all your needs for any boat service that needs to be done as far as outboard motors goes, upholstery. We can also do all your electronic services and fiberglass work. We also have on-site welding as well. With Brant Marine, we have 40 plus used boat and Grady Whites in the yard that you can choose from to whatever spec that you want to put them at, and we can customize it any way you want. With the repowers that we do on our own boats, especially the ones that we built for customers, we're strictly only Suzuki, and we will not put any other motors on our boat except for Suzuki.
This one's gone through the full scope at Brant here, and they've done a really nice job, and this is by far and away the nicest one I've owned, for sure. Super proud of what the guys did, and I know they are too. Yeah, it's Suzuki all the way.